Hello analytics class, welcome back. So here in this video we're going to do steps 3 and 4 in your case. So again, you want to have your Tableau instructions document open and you're up to step 3 here. And you also want to have your Tableau open and you have everything completed up until now. So all of step 1 and step 2 are done. And you have this sales by state here. And it looks like this. Okay, so step 3 and step 3, let's just look at what we're going to do here to remind ourselves what we're doing. We're going to create a map that identifies those states where Cpop has economic nexus based on the sales revenue threshold that was recognized as constitutional in Wayfair. So what we want to know is in which of these states do we have enough sales that we're going to be required, that Cpop is going to be required to collect sales taxes. Okay? Now, I'm not showing you the secret number because you know the secret number based on reading the Supreme Court decision. But I'm going to show you how to do this. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate this visualization we have right here. So you come down here to this little tab, we're going to right click on it and we're going to duplicate. All right, and then you have sales by state 2. So we're going to rename this revenue threshold. Okay. So we've duplicated the sales by state, and now we have a new one that's going to be called revenue threshold. All right, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to create a filter to filter out only the states that meet our requirement. So we're going to take revenue, and we're going to drag it to filters. All right, and now this thing pops up, filter field. All right, so we want to click on sum, $sum, and then go next. We want them to have at least the magic number of dollars. Now you know what the magic number of dollars is. That's the number you're going to type in here. I'm going to pause the video because I'm going to type it in. And click OK, and then your map will look like mine if you put the right number in there, the mystery number. Okay, I'm pausing. Okay, so if you put the correct number in and then you clicked OK, your map should look like this. And these are the states where the company meets the revenue threshold. That means that they have more than the secret number. Okay, so we're doing both step 3 and step 4 here. Next, in step 4, we're going to do a similar thing, but it's going to be based on the order threshold. So remember, there were 2 tests. One had to do with how much you have in sales. The other one has to do with how many orders you have. All right, so we're going to duplicate this sales by state again. So remember, come back here, right-click on the little tab, and we're going to say duplicate. And again, of course, we're going to rename this. In this case, we're going to call it order threshold. Okay. Now, over here, you're going to click here. So we're looking, remember what we're interested in now. We're interested in how many orders were in each state. And now we want to know which states meet the threshold. So which states have enough orders that they are going to be required, Cpop is going to be required to collect sales tax there. So you're going to come here and we're going to do filter. And again, I'm going to pause because we're going to filter for at least the magic number of orders. Okay, so if you put in the correct magic number of orders, then your state, your map should look like this. All right, so now we know which, I'm going to just say up here, show filter, so we have that filter up here too. And now we know which states are going to meet the order threshold. All right, so next up will be step 5, and I'll see you in that video.